the platform as Samantha.
Year.
And I'm going to go into our first unit.
Oh.
Whoa.
And I'm going to go in the second checkpoint because it's red. And remember, we started this with exercise set 9. So this is the one that you have to do for the second checkpoint. When you click on that link on the platform, it pulls up the problems. Now,
That's 13.
Wait, go back, show it again.
I see the second checkpoint is red, and we started this on exercise set 9. So I'm going to click on the resource for 9, and it pulls up the problems. What you will do from here is you'll get a blank sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be totally blank. It can be a line sheet of paper. And you will solve the problems on here and turn this in. But you must label this exercise set 9 with your name before you turn it in. Otherwise, it's just blank. It's writing on a blank sheet of paper.
Excuse me, but I remember turning it in.
Robert, I saw your hand up.
I just
What if we
don't
don't know how to do it on
What
if we don't know how to do it on the computer?
So all you're using the computer for is just to see the questions. You're solving the problems on your paper.
Excuse me.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Hey, Monty?
First thing, which one do we start on?
We did all of them for congruence.
I did.
I believe that's
What's
10, 11,
exercise
12.
set?
I didn't do it.
Dee, you had a question?
But I remember turning my exercise 13 in.
Okay.
No, I think it
I turned. I think I.
If you have a question about a specific one that you feel like you remember, I'd be happy to go with you through the pile of exercise sets that I have. But I've updated this weekend. I've gone through it multiple times. This morning I came in, and a few of you emailed me and said, I know I've been turning these in. I went through all of the exercise sets that I have. Okay. I have updated the spreadsheet a little bit from some that I found this morning.
So,
I can
wait.
reshare it. Samantha and then Kate. Do you remember which one? Okay, we can double check. I think I updated yours today. Okay. Killian.
So you're saying we started at 9? What? Yeah. Okay, so you only turn in ones from 9 and up. Okay.
So 9 through 13 are what we've done. Okay. Think of it again. I'd love to answer. Question.
So say we like you did in the I got my reading and I turned it in to the city. You give us some good just on paper instead of in case somebody don't like want to do it on the computer.
Can I send it to you on paper?
No, I said can you give it to us on paper like another copy?
I'd want, if you don't have the original that I give you, I want you to do it like this. Otherwise, I'm going to be going back and forth and printing out our rendered ones for 107 eighth graders. That's just a little bit, that's a lot of just going on. So I'd rather just, I always give it to you in class. That's your copy. You don't get that first copy, or if you lose it, then you're into this system where you're going to pull up the problems on your Chromebook and solve it.
Yeah, I remember. So if your checkpoint isn't red, then you're okay.
If your checkpoint isn't red, if it's green, that means you've turned in all the exercise sets and you've done them correctly.
Okay.
If your checkpoint is that orangish yellow, it means either you have turned in some of them for that checkpoint and you're totally missing at least one or two, or you've turned in all of them and some of them aren't done correctly. And if that's the case, I have those here that maybe you started but just didn't finish. A lot of us don't do the backs. There's a back side. So that's just an unfinished one and I can't put a green on it. Okay? So what I would do then, if yours is orangish yellow, your checkpoint, cross-check it with the spreadsheet and see, are you missing any? And if you are missing some, then I would come. Huh?
When did we get 13? When did we?
Thursday?
Last Thursday?
I think I turned it in.
did?
But it says on there I
Wednesday.
didn't turn it in.
Wednesday or Thursday?
Only 3 of my checkpoints are green.
Can we double check? Can I check in with you when we get started?
Yeah.
On 13? Okay. So if your checkpoint is orangish yellow and you've turned in all of them, it shows that on the spreadsheet. Check this pile out because it's more than likely that your exercise set is here. It's just unfinished. And you can grab it and you can finish it. Okay? Is that your question? Okay. Any questions? This is great. I want us just to be all on the same page. Anybody? Absolutely. Okay. Today I wanted to kind of step back and give us time to get caught up on these. I know that a handful of us either just haven't turned them in or we're just a few off, and I want to give you guys time and space to get caught up on some of these, and also time to focus on those PFAs. Because remember that one was due on the 10th that kind of came up out of nowhere? So it's essentially like a PLT, but a PLT to get caught up into our time, because this is what Thursday's test is going to be. There's these exercise sets that we've been doing. You're going to be tested on those skills on Thursday. Okay? So question. If you're missing, let's say exercise set 11, and you don't have the original, what do you do? How do you do it on paper?
You go to that site and you copy it down on your link to the paper.
Okay.
We gotta copy it
And
down.
what do you need to label?
The exercise set number.
The exercise set number. You don't have to write down all the questions. Just properly label, this is number 1, show your work, and show your answer. You don't have to rewrite the whole question.
What's the point of just doing that? We could just do it on the computer.
Because you can't do it on computers. The system wasn't set up for that.
You can't write it.
Any questions? Alright, if you have, during this time, if you have a question about a specific exercise set like Isaiah did, I'd be happy to check in with you and go through my stuff and try to see if I do have